steady, go.
Hi, hello and welcome people. I'm your host Rohit Sharma and you're watching Freedom Farming English channel. Today I've come to a person, Sir Venkat, who's going to explain us about this big drone you see over here. I think it can even carry me. But let's see. Let's check out what Sir has to say about it. Hi Venkat sir, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you, Rohit?
I'm good. Sir, can you please tell us why is the drone so big and what is it about?
So Rohit, actually, like the drone technology is day by day emerging in different sectors. Like people are going at the drone taxis as well as the logistic drones and everything. So the drone, what you're seeing here it is specifically called prepared with an objective to serve the Indian agriculture. Actually,
Wow.
okay. So the drone, what we are presenting here is the industry's the best drone with the highest specifications. Now like in agriculture, major problem is the manpower. So with this drone, we can mitigate all the manpower problems which are getting faced by the farmers. Okay, so that a farmer can utilize this drone for the pesticide or fertilizer spraying in his own field within a very short span. So for example, with manpower, with the knapsack like bag sprayer or any portable sprayer, it will take hardly 1.5 hours. That means like it is around 90 minutes to cover 1 acre of the land. So with the drone, it will take hardly 6 to 10 minutes to cover the 1 acre land with more efficacy and so that the farmer can reduce the cost of cultivation, also cost of inputs also. Drogo drones are basically into survey and surveillance drones and all. So they came up with a specific drone which serve agriculture with the higher specifications, so that the drone can run more time in the air. So with the same efficiency, the farmer can work longer periods, like he can cover 5 to 6 acres with one battery charging and all.
Wow.
Yeah, there are a lot of companies who are working in the agriculture sector. The major SKs of the drone is there are 3 things. One thing is the battery size. So usually in the industry, if you see the batteries are 16,000, 20,000, 20,000 mAh. Okay, but Drogo drones we are giving 30,000 mAh battery with one charge or one cycle of charge. It's going to give around 5 acres spraying, so that the farmer can save the time on charging and all. Okay, and second thing is like the K++ flight controller, which is the highly stable, which can be operated very easily, very stable in the outdoor conditions where the agriculture spraying is going to happen. Third thing is like the centrifugal nozzles and the drone, how the way we constructed, it is suitable for the field crops, row crops and the plantation crops like big trees and all also. Unique drone, it is called Krishi 3 Pro in the agri industry. It is definitely going to create revolution in the regular farmer lives and agriculture.
Oh my god, that was just mind blowing. I'm just shocked at this moment. I don't know what to speak. But guys, being honest on it, I've never seen such big drone. And sir, if you don't mind me asking, what are the subsidies government is providing on this?
So like now you see, if you see the ground the line, 2 years back, there are very limited drone companies who are working in the agriculture sector and all. So after DGCA, like Director General of Civil Aviation, actively participating and giving the approvals to so many people, because of Prime Minister Modi ji announced the drone Didi program. So now Modi ji wanted to make 15,000 self-help groups. That means like the women who wanted to become an own entrepreneurs. So he's going to give the drones on subsidy to them. So that we have tie up with the central governments to train them, to give the drone to them. We make them self-sufficient money to enrich their lives and all. So in that way, like still the central government is working on the drone Didi program. The subsidies it varies from the state to state. For example, Bihar government is giving around 40-50% subsidy. UP government is giving around 40 to 50% subsidy. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu still they have to announce, but case to case, like under the PMGUY schemes, under age schemes and all, interest subsidies, all the things are there in the government. Whereas if any customer wanted to buy the drone directly from us, so we are giving at the best price along with the training, how to run the drone, how to make his business profitable. We prepare the business case for him. We arrange the loans for him from the banks for the 6% interest.
Amazing, sir. I am just so excited right now that I want to fly this drone. I wish even I got some subsidy on this. But anyways, coming back to the topic, sir, subsidy part is really good what you mentioned. Like 40-50% subsidy on one drone is really a good one. So farmers, you can actually use this. Sir, are you even training farmers on this? Is the government training?
Yeah, right. So the thing is, we have, as of now, we have trained more than 450 to 500 pilots or the individual pilots actually.
Amazing.
So this is rather than going for any farmer buying the drone, simply keeping it home. So what we offer the package to the farmer is we give 10 days training to the farmer how to run that drone. And we encourage village level entrepreneurs, the people who did engineering or graduation agriculture, or some guys might have completed plus 2 and sitting at home idly. So they can simply buy this drone with a good amount of price, and we train them how to make it a business model. And in some areas, like for example AP Telangana, we are developing entrepreneurs by giving the acreage to them. Like we have tie up with the farmers, we develop our own application. So farmers will raise the spraying services module, so that like we can divert the same reroute the business to this entrepreneur, so that he will not facing any problem to searching for the field and all. He can generate monthly income of 2.5 lakhs. After all the expenses, the major part he is going to save is not more than 1.5 lakhs. So for a village level guy, for the period of 180 days to 260 days, okay, saving 1 lakh rupees per month is not the simple thing actually.
Yes,
So
actually.
we are encouraging these village entrepreneurs who really interested in this thing and all. Why? Because drone operation is like simply operating like toy. The only one thing he has to see is like where he is working in agriculture fields and all. So he should be aware of how the pesticides, fertilizer can be sprayed and all. There is the only one component we are giving training to them, and we give the license to them also. So any person who wanted to fly any type of drone which is more than 8 to 10 kgs, so he should have a license called RPTO license. Without that license, he is not supposed to operate the drone also. So we train them, we give the license, we made them their own enterprise in the village level.
Superb. I think I should also be a farmer now because I am excited to fly this amazing drone. So, sir, when you started this, what are the challenges you faced and how many customers have you made till now?
As Drogo is very much familiar with the different types of drones, but whereas agriculture drone, we have started working last 1.5 years back only. So after 2 to 3 years of research, we came up with a fine-tuned drone which gives high efficacy and high battery life actually. So the initial problem what we face is the price of the drone. So when we are saying that the price of the drone is 7.5 lakhs including all package, so many people used to say that yeah, I can purchase a car of Tata Punch is coming for 5.6 lakhs and Maruti car is coming for 6 lakhs and all. So it is again the use case actually. So we used to explain them what the business model, how you can make money, and we told them that we are arranging the loans from the banks also with the 6% interest is very less actually. So the acceptance is at present around 10 to 12%. Everyone is asking for the subsidies, discounts and all. So we are working with different governments also by explaining the facility and all. We are meeting Minister of Agriculture and Chief Minister of different states.
Wow.
So now we are trying to enable, even though the drone price bit high, because like any drone company is not making more than around 8 to 10% of margin on this way, because like the unit scale of economy, like we as of now we sold around 120 drones like that. Okay, we met more than 1,000 customers over there. We are getting orders from different states. As the state government themselves, they are implementing these programs as the drone is bit costlier. So now if the sale or if the acceptance of the farmers will grow, automatically the drone cost will come down. Again, it is rule of economics that when you increase the items or when you increase the number of things, and the drone cost will be down, right? We are expecting at least each and every mandal should have 2 to 3 drones to serve the Indian agriculture. So that is the highest feasible thing, so that like the drones can be spread everywhere with the proper service and all.
Guys, I literally have no words, but what he said right now is just mind-blowing. And I am so excited right now that I want to fly it. I don't know. Sir, can it carry my weight?
No, actually, you see, these are the agriculture drones actually. So the drone weight is around 29 kgs. It will carry up to 15 to 20 kgs weight. So as already we have fixed the 10-liter tank, which serves the 1 acre spray. So like the payload is much lesser here. If we increase the motor weight and everything, so definitely now the Drogo is working on a drone taxi model. We are working with we have tie up with different aeronautical giants actually. So the project might be around 2026, 27, 28. We are working on that. If that is the case, the payload will increase up to 200 kgs.
Amazing.
So, as of now, no company is working on this model. So still like we are exploring different opportunities to go ahead actually.
Sir, I am actually excited and waiting as well that one day I will use the drone and fly. Anyways, kidding guys. It was really good meeting you, Venkat sir, and thank you so much for this.
Thank you, Rob. Thank you.
For more such tips and tricks and exciting news, keep watching Freedom Farming English. Happy farming.